Most self-starters and independent business owners look up to successful entrepreneurs. They aren't the only ones. Learning from people who created unfathomable wealth and success for themselves makes sense. These habits can be implemented by anyone, regardless of career. Whether you run your own online business, or are trying to jumpstart your future, these tips are for you. Get up early. There are many benefits to being an early riser. Studies show that we are the most productive in the morning, and we're able to get a head start on the rest of the world, and our competition, when we wake up before them. Entrepreneurs that wake up early. Apple CEO Tim Cook wakes up between 3:45 and 4:30 a.m. AOL CEO Tim Armstrong begins his morning at 5 a.m. L. Raphael Reif, president of MIT, gets up at 5 a.m. Mary Barra, General Motors CEO, can be found in her office before 6 a.m. Outsource and delegate. Many business role models and leaders falsely believe they need to be involved in every aspect of their venture. This could not be further from the truth. Trying your best to take on every responsibility yourself can leave you burnt out and mentally fatigued. No one is an expert in everything. Successful CEOs and entrepreneurs understand what their best assets are and find compatible people that excel in their weaker areas to do the rest. When a business grows, it becomes impossible for one person to handle. This is just as applicable to personal life. Sometimes, you need to delegate responsibility to others rather than taking on the whole world yourself. Don't fear failure. We've heard it all before. Don't let fear prevent us from getting started. No one is perfect, nor can they predict the future. Failure is often the road to success. It ignites the creative process and can lead to more fruitful ideas. James Dyson reportedly failed 5,126 times before hitting the jackpot on revolutionary Dyson vacuums. He now has a $7.6 billion net worth. Learn the word, no. Steve Jobs can attest to this. He proclaimed that innovation is not about saying yes to everything. Instead, it involves saying no to everything but the most critical components. No is a powerful word. It can help you define your boundaries inside and outside of the workplace. It also helps reduce the chance of failure by protecting your own priorities. Learn to listen. Most people hate feeling unheard or misunderstood. Effective communication is not only the backbone of successful business but is also fundamental to healthy relationships. The most successful entrepreneurs understand before asking to be understood. Only through listening to others can you gain knowledge of their challenges and implement mutually beneficial changes. Indra Nooyi, former CEO of PepsiCo, credits her success to actively listening to her colleagues. Focus on goals. This one might seem obvious. Unfortunately, many people lose sight of their goals by investing too much energy into things that don't matter. Fixating on the past or minor details can prevent you from moving forward in your personal life and your career. Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon, constantly reaffirms that his success is based on the customer being the number one focus. Prioritizing focus on maximizing customer experience has clearly worked out for Bezos. Implementing habits from the entrepreneurs before me has helped shape me into a successful CEO. While no life hack can guarantee financial success, these constructive habits are easy to implement into any lifestyle. Take advantage of the constructive routines and habits of those before us and take a further step towards achieving your own personal growth.